Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Qashqai. In this video I'll show you how to remotely open and close tailgate. In the beginning, take a look behind left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got panel with 5 buttons. To remotely open tailgate, press button in the bottom right corner. To close the tailgate, press the button again. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.